guess what? There's nothing better than a good old-fashioned barley soup in a cold winter night. Welcome to my kitchen! Okay, let's start by putting some good olive oil on our pot, and then we'll put the onion next afterwards. Okay, guys? Okay, so the onion, we'll caramelize it first, and then we'll put the garlic until the onion turn into brown. Then we can add the meat. Okay, guys? Our onion is ready, so we can now add the meat. And then make sure we will brown the meat, and then we'll put all the veggies afterwards. So when the beef turned into brown, I added the celery and the carrots. Okay. Now we can also add the thyme, the dried thyme, the pressed rosemary, the bay leaves, as well as the tomato paste, all at the same time. Okay, guys. Let's stir it, and then we can put the chicken stock, and we'll cover it and let it cook for a couple of minutes, and then we can start, once it boils, we can start to put the barley afterwards. Okay, so it's already boiling, so we can start to put the barley. So from time to time you have to stir it and then check if your barley is cooked, and if not, then cook it for some more minutes and then season it afterwards. Okay, guys? So I added the parsley, by the way, and then once you see that the soup is almost thick enough, and then taste the barley. So make sure that the barley is cooked before you turn off the heat, and it smells so good. Okay, it's almost cooked, guys. But I'm gonna add some more parsley on it. So yeah, I can't wait to dig on this. This looks so delicious, smells so good here. There you go, guys. The simple and easy to make barley soup, and it's perfect for the cold winter night. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you can try it. And I'd like to say thank you to all the new subscribers in my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. And I see you around on my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.